Hello, this is Eric at the Prince Sherwood Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta in a Trendline trim, I believe, and powered by a 2-liter turbodiesel engine, providing you with excellent power and pretty decent fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the trunk, where you have plenty of space for all of your cargo, while being able to expand it by folding down the rear seats, and you even have some levers here to do that from the back. And underneath this platform you have your full-size spare, so you can throw it on and keep going. And then looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 with fold-out armrest and 2 cup holders, while also being able to still access the trunk from there. And then in the middle you have a 12-volt power outlet. And then looking at the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 72,814 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And you have your cruise controls on the signal stalk there. And you can cycle through your part of your information here with that button to cycle to your trip information. And then you have your fuel gauge and everything there, your clock, whatever. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, CD, auxiliary, and I believe that's it, but you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And moving down, you have your climate controls here, pretty simple. Do also have heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then down below here you have a 12-volt power outlet, as well as your auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, and then your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside, with your connector there, I believe, so that you can plug in a USB compatible cable. And I believe this can be changed to different heights for your armrest, so that's nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.